welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna share my experience as a first time landlord here in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I'm entering almost completed. I'm like 2 months of my uh, role as being a landlord. Now I'm going to the third month. So first of all, like I followed the laws, so that's why I'm not scared of anything, because my rental unit, which is a rental basement, is actually a legal second unit. So there's no problem of permits or something. I have all that streamlined. So definitely not an issue. Coming to the experience, like because of current LTP delays, nobody wants to give their house to um, someone without proper screening. So I did proper screening and I have like good tenants. At least as of now, nobody has seen the future. These guys are really good. They always pay, at least till now, they have been paying like their rent even in advance. And they also pay a certain portion of utilities too. That too they clear. But the best thing about them is like they have never created any trouble for me. They are also a small family, so I never had any problem of music or like loud bang or something, like some problems that people, those who live in shared houses have. But I never had that issue. And also, like that, they have never complained about noise or something from my side, although I don't make any. But you never know. Sometimes when you walk, that may um, appear as a bang on the basement, but nothing like that has happened with me. And I also believe in someone's privacy. Like if you have seen my earlier basement construction videos, I have maintained everything to make it very private. So I also don't like see them every day, and I don't talk to them every day. Of course, that's not required, right? Only when it is required. And I am providing them internet too. So all things are going good as of now. But one thing you need to be very sure is like you need to do your role very diligently. Like they did complain to me about some issues, but whenever they have complained, I have addressed promptly, including calling an electrician, fixing a broken cupboard, and they are like doing good. Like I don't have any complaint as of now. The fire alarm there has not gone up even once since they moved in. So yeah, fine. As of now, things are fine. And yeah, any complaint they make to me, I promptly address. And that's how it's going good. So let me know, guys, what do you feel about this? And and yes, I'm not accepting any payment on cash. Everything I take is on e-transfer so that they have their receipts too, and it's tracked also electronically. And of course, like I'm gonna show that as my income in my taxes. Of course, I'll go after all the uh, rules and will do. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.